Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Glow Naturally. If you are new to my channel, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will discuss, is keratin treatment good for natural hair, keratin treatment on natural hair, and few frequently asked questions related to keratin treatments. So please watch the video till end to know all the details. What is keratin treatment? Keratin hair treatment helps in repairing damaged and dry hair by replacing the protein that hairs have lost. It rebuilds the damaged areas, adds shine, and eliminates frizz. This makes hair more beautiful and easier to manage. Keratin treatments are good for hair that got damaged from chemical treatments, heat styling, and other damaging conditions. It works wonders for hairs that offer benefits like adding moisture to the strands that help make them soft, smooth, strong, shiny, and free from flyaways. Results of a keratin hair treatment on natural hair can last up to 6 months, and professionals might customize formula blends to suit your hair type and needs. The treatment itself can take anywhere from 2 to 4 hours depending on your hair length and thickness, hair texture, and the treatment formula being used. Can a keratin treatment help with hair growth? The treatment's benefits may make hair seem to grow more quickly, but it's really all about strengthening the hair. Keratin helps to add shine, reduce frizz, and reduce the appearance of split ends by temporarily bonding the hair back together. All of these effects can help strands look and feel longer and stronger, but they are ultimately growing at the same rate. In other words, reducing breakage helps give the illusion of more hair growth. This can make your hair seem to grow faster because the ends are not splitting, therefore allowing it to retain its length. Can you get a keratin treatment if you have natural curls? Keratin treatments work well on most hair types. For curly hair in particular, it will completely smooth, frizz, and add more shine. Curly hair reflects light less easily than straight hair, so you will notice more shine after your keratin treatment. Can you get a keratin treatment if you have color treated hair? Another added benefit is that it will keep freshly colored hair vibrant. You can get your color refreshed right before your keratin treatment. The treatment seals in the color, making it last longer and appear brighter. I have already made a video on how to color your hair at home naturally without using any chemicals. I will link the video here also and on the description box below for your reference. Why you should take keratin treatment at home? There are many keratin treatments available across the world today which claims to keep your hair soft and shiny for a long time. But eventually, as time goes by and the effect of these salon treatments gets over, you will see a great difference in how your hair has become more damaged than before. These salon keratins are loaded with chemical and artificial substitutes which become harmful in the long run. Trust me, I am a victim of this keratin treatment in salon. Once I had taken this salon keratin treatment, but after a few washes, the effect of it went off. After that, my hair looked more damaged and rough. Then I realized that natural treatment is always good for hair as well as skin, and we should always prefer home keratin treatment. Keratin hair treatment at home. If you want to do keratin treatment at home, you can do it in 2 ways. Number 1, buy a keratin treatment mask. You can buy natural keratin treatment mask from the market or from online retailers and use it at home for hair treatment. Number 2, prepare a keratin treatment mask at home. Make a keratin mask from home ingredients and use it as a keratin hair treatment. You can mix multiple natural ingredients and apply them to your hair. If you want me to make a video on DIY natural keratin treatment at home and show you some homemade keratin mask, then do let me know in the comment sections below. I will make a video on that. Steps of keratin treatment at home. Shampoo your hair. I have already made a video on DIY homemade shampoo, conditioner and hair serum. I'll put the links of the videos in the description box below for you guys to check. Shampoo helps in removing dust and oil from hair. It helps in absorption of treatment in hairs properly. Number 2. Towel dry and comb. After wash, the towel dries your hair gently. Leave some moisture in hairs to help treatment absorb in hair. After that, comb hairs gently and untangled hair. Number 3. Apply hair keratin mask. Divide hairs into multiple parts and apply a keratin hair mask from top to bottom. Keep it 30 to 40 minutes. Number 4. Massage your head. After applying a keratin mask for 30 to 40 minutes, massage your head gently for 5 to 10 minutes. Massage is very important. Don't miss this step. Number 5. Rinse your hair. Wash your hair without using shampoo. Make sure that all the products remove properly from the hair. Number 6. Blow dry and iron your hair. This is an optional step. If you want your hair to look straight, do blow dry and iron your hair with a dryer and straightener respectively. If you want curls in your hair, make your hair naturally dry. Is keratin treatment good for natural hair? According to experts, the short answer is yes. A keratin treatment, also known as Brazilian blowouts in some salons, is the chemical process of temporarily smoothing frizzy hair. They are safe and a terrific way to make your hair look its best depending on your goal. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do like, share and comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon so that you never miss an update from Glow Naturally.